Well, I feel like having a little bit of a celebration right now. I've had a pretty good day. Uh, First of all, I got up and I went pee. That's a good thing. I didn't even go on my leg. I didn't even dribble. Should I restart the video? No, hell no. Gives me character, right? You gotta have some character. You gotta separate yourself apart from everybody else. Why be like everyone else? I just can't post a jar of protein powder. I would rather like open it up and dump it on my head and pretend I'm El Chapo. I'm not that type of guy. Even though I'm in a badass Kiss t-shirt. All right, if you're watching my videos regularly, you know I'm kind of a Live Good guy. Even though I don't have my Live Good hats on, I just thought I'd have this one. It kind of, I haven't wore this one for a little while. How about if I just hold my Live Good hat? All right, just pretend my twin brother Corky. I'll be Corey, and this will be the invisible Corky. We have hats, we have shirts that I cut the sleeves off. Polo shirts, those yuppie shirts that people that eat cheese at golf courses. We have those. And of course I'm going to cut the dang sleeves off when they come in the mail. Gives me charm and freedom. Makes me go like this. That's right, I go like this. I shake my groove thing. Oh my God, I'm breakdancing. Oh, okay. This is a serious video. Just not this part. Okay. All right. If you want to join LiveGood, join Corey.com. It's pretty simple. Just go below the video and click the link and let's see what happens. All right. It's a 6-minute video. Ben, our CEO, he takes over and talks about the opportunity, wholesale, retail, where we're going, what we're doing. You can see our Fab Four. All right. And I'm actually going to a Beatles tribute concert tomorrow, and I'm going to film and put it on my channel here. Beatles, Like She Loves You. Yeah, yeah. Saw you standing there, and little Jude. That's right. I'm going to be shaking my little butt cheeks there. They're a little saggy, but I'm still going to be shaking those little bastards. All right. Our Fab Four, Nodder, marketing director, CEO Ben, Ryan, and Lisa, they're in charge of our badass products. And it's kind of nice to see those cats. All right. So go ahead and watch the video. I was able to get 5 people to sign up, and that's exciting. All 5 I've written. They've acknowledged my existence. We've said nice to meet yous, and I sent them a whole bunch of information on how to get free training and advice and tips, tricks, gossip, whatever. You got to put your ear on the ground and see what's happening. What's getting other people signups? How are people getting pre-enrolled? How can a guy with a bad haircut and a Kiss t-shirt be platinum probably by end of summer? It doesn't make sense. I'm not an MLM guy. I'm a Kiss guy. Keep it simple, sexy. That's right, I'm bringing sexy back because the senior edition of The Bachelor debuts in a couple days. And guess who's on it? Not me, but I want to be. Dang, I want to be on The Bachelor. Senior, look, I got gray ass hair. Look, I got Santa beard. If I grow this little thing, down to here, I look like Santa. They won't let me on though, those little bastards. All right, well, anyway, let me congratulate LiveGood. Today we hit 500,000 people. We kicked this little bad boy off December 13th, and exactly 7 months later, we just hit 500,000. We're going to make the official announcement tomorrow morning with good old Ben Glinsky, our CEO, with the best neck muscles I've ever seen. When he talks, he's got these manly neck muscles. I don't know what he does, but he must do CBD oil or something, because I don't know what they're doing, but this company's on fire. 500,000 people in 7 months. No one can believe it. I don't even know if I'd believe it unless I was like experiencing it. I joined this little bad boy in March. I'm on my 4th month, and I didn't even plan on doing this. I'm not an MLM guy. I wanted the products. I wanted super reds and super greens so I could have super sexy muscles. And instead, I've got super greens and super reds for a great deal, and I think I'm losing muscles. And the older I get, I'm growing man boobs. So I'm hoping that we sell anti-man boob cream, because we got this. We have cream and We got CBD oil I think you rub on your nipples, but I wish we would have some anti-sag cream. I'd rub it all over myself. That's right. I'd go to that Beatles concert tomorrow, man, and I would be dead sexy. But anyway, we have some nice products. For real. Check them out. You don't like them, you got 90 days. 3 frickin' months. That's a season. If there's 12 months, divide it by 4, that means 3. And there's like 4 seasons, right? There's salt, pepper, and I can't remember the other ones, winter. But anyway, we have a long time to sample our products and get our money back. And that's a darn good thing. How do I get people to sign up? You know what? Honestly, be yourself. That's my best advice, is be unique and be yourself. If you're shy, just own it. Go on a video and for 10 seconds go, "Hi, I'm Barbara and I'm shy. Gotta go. Yeah." And then like freak the F out and turn the camera off. And you know what? I'm quitting and I'm going to rejoin underneath you. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to do it. So hurry up. Do your video. I'm waiting and I'm going to join underneath you. I like people with pizzazz. Take little risks. And be unique, be humorous, be fun, be compelling, be interesting. And I'm serious, you really have to kind of do that because there's a lot of people posting pictures of protein and CBD. I mean, look, how many times have you seen this? That's right, for $18, you can buy this 750 milligram CBD oil. And for $26, you can buy our 1500 milligram. We have brand new cream too with 2000 milligram of CBD oil that you can rub on your joints. But you know what? I don't care about the CBD oil. I just want the rubber nipple. Oh my God, that feels good. I'd probably pay $30 for this just so I could put this in my ear and go like this. Oh my gosh almighty, this feels good. Can I do this ear too? I mean, how many people promote LiveGood products by doing this? Nobody. And you know what? If it gets me to platinum by the end of the summer, then so be it. If I look like a horse's butt, so what? It's all good. You can live good being a horse's butt. Maybe be the right butt cheek. Maybe you want to be the butthole. But, being a horse's butt, it ain't all that bad. I've got a horsetail on the side of my face right now. It's been with me a long time. And it's all good because I'm living good. And you got to be interesting. I'm so serious. If you can get out of your shell and just have a little bit of fun and just be unique, try video. And I know you don't have, I'm not going to beg you. I might. If I find your address, I might have to come over there and make you do it. But maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just sit here and beg like a little bitch. But video's satisfying. I love it. It's my favorite way to promote LiveGood. You get to know me, not like me, and be disgusted by me. If I send you an email, you're not going to be as disgusted. But if you see me and feel like you know me, I can probably make you not like me or be disgusted by me a lot easier. So that's why I recommend video. My advice really sucks on this video. I think I should probably just restart it. But I'm not going to do that. So just be yourself and have fun. If you need some help, get a hold of me, Corey at CoreyDraper.com. I've been around a long time in the radio biz, and that's probably where I get my my charm. Been in the rock radio biz a long time, rock and roll biz, and the nightclub biz. But man, I never thought in a million years I'd be in this MLM matrix Powerball power line. I don't even know what Cotex. What is it called? The Power Cotex. It's a 2x15. All I know is I sign up 2 people. They sign up 2 people. And now my downlines are already 10 deep. I got spillover happening all over the place. And people are signing up. And that's a good thing. We're talking worldwide too. Singapore to South Korea, Fiji to Philippines, even weird people in Iowa. That's right, farmers, people that drive tractors and moo. Cows that moo are signing up right now. They're so excited about LiveGood. I think they want some CBD oil to put on their teats. Because people, in America, we grab cow teats and we go like this. And I drink the hell out of milk. God, I love milk and almond milk and coconut milk and cow milk. I drink milk of magnesia. I drink just about anything like that. But anyway, I want you guys to just have some fun, post with a purpose, if you follow my videos. That's awesome. And hopefully I'll meet you one day, maybe around this neck of the woods, or maybe we'll do a convention with LiveGood. Time will tell. We don't do that yet. And if you haven't joined LiveGood, it's just a bunch of cool products for wholesale. It's only $9.95 a month, $40 one-time fee to be an affiliate. And that's it. Go ahead and post on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, that new thread. That'll probably be pretty popular. Or just do some videos like this. Get a webcam. I use a Logitech 920, C920. And I buy one of those little ring lights to make my face look one color. See the ring light in my glasses? That's right. It's about $24 at Walmart. Just go in there and say, look, I need to make my face look better. Give me one of those dang ring lights. And it's in the electronics section where you can buy video games and stuff like that. You guys will find it. But anyway, be yourself, guys. I was able to lock in 5 people, and that's real satisfying. And to get 500,000 affiliates worldwide, we're doing something right, I get about, sometimes I get 400, 300, 166. I got about 400 web hits today, and that's cool. It just means a bunch of people were snooping around my website. I had a couple people pre-enroll, and it looks as I'll probably hit, what did I get today? I got 3 today, but I got 5 over the next couple days, and I got 2 people signing up tomorrow. They called me today and said payday's tomorrow, so I got 2 more people coming in. But guys, be yourself. Just relax a little bit. You'll figure it out. Look at other people's, approach, and try to have your own little bit of niche. Don't be just a normal cheeseburger like those dollar rubber ones at McDonald's. Try to put maybe some garlic on it, or triple cheese, or there's a ranch dressing. You can always do something to dress up a burger or a salad, or make your car look kind of cool at the windows, or maybe lower it, raise it, put on some badass wheels. But customize yourself. Be yourself, and just be a little different if you can. And I think you'll find some success. And if you join my group, and I don't even care if you're in my group or not. If you're already signed up, that's cool. I'll send you some training and help you out, even if you're in my buddies' downlines. I know most of the leaders in the top 25, and they're good cats. They're working hard, and you should work hard, and we should all work hard. Can't we all get along? All right. Okay, I've had too many energy drinks from Monster. These little bastages. This one's okay. I like the orange one the best still. And the white one. The Monster White Silver. Those are, man. I don't know what's in them, but they're dang good. Okay, live good, feel good. Thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. And good luck to you guys, okay? All right, we'll see you next video, and thank you for watching this one. Take care, guys. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye.